If your screen suddenly turns blue with an error message, you're facing the infamous blue screen of death, or BSOD. It can be a bit alarming, but don't worry, it's fixable. Let's jump into 7 simple steps to tackle this issue and prevent it from happening again. First, when the blue screen appears, take a moment to note the error code. You might see something like critical underscore process underscore died or memory underscore management. Jot it down or snap a quick photo. This code is crucial for diagnosing the problem later. Next, if your PC keeps crashing, boot into safe mode. Hold down the Shift key and click Restart from the Start menu or login screen. From there, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally Startup Settings. Hit F4 to enter safe mode. This mode runs Windows with minimal drivers and apps, making it easier to troubleshoot the issue. Once you're in safe mode, it's time to run a system file check. Corrupted files are often the culprits behind BSODs. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type in sfc/scan now. Hit Enter and let it scan and repair any corrupted Windows files automatically. Now let's talk about drivers. They can frequently cause problems. Open Device Manager and expand categories like display adapters and network adapters. Right-click on each one and select Update Driver. If the crash is started after a recent driver update, you can roll back the driver by going to the Driver tab and clicking Rollback. If you've installed any new software recently, that could be the source of your troubles. Head over to Settings, then Apps, and look at Installed Apps. Sort by date installed and remove anything that seems suspicious or unnecessary. Sometimes, free tools can conflict with Windows and lead to crashes. Next, let's check the health of your RAM and hard drive. For RAM, press Windows plus R, type in dscgd.exe, and hit Enter. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. For your hard drive, open Command Prompt as an admin again and type checkdisk/f/r. Press Enter, then Y, and restart your computer. This will scan your memory and drive for any hardware errors. If you're still stuck after trying all these steps, consider using System Restore. Search for Create a Restore Point and click on System Restore. Choose a date before the crashes began. This will roll back your system settings without affecting your personal files. Most BSODs are caused by bad drivers, faulty RAM or storage, corrupt system files, or conflicting software. Try these steps in order, and if the issue persists, you might need to consider a clean reinstall of Windows or seek help to check your hardware. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have a specific BSOD error, drop it in the comments. I'm here to help.